Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Wanted an official look at Apple's upcoming foldable iPhone? The wait might be over. These new renders seem to have been ripped straight from the company's computers. The insider who first showed off the iPhone 17 has leaked renders of Apple's first foldable smartphone. New CAD renders, prices, and latest upgrades are revealed. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The new foldable iPhone, which Apple will launch later this year, alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and the iPhone 18 Pro Max, will look slightly different from what you might have imagined. A renowned industry insider has posted renders of the foldable iPhone. Australian insider Sonny Dixon published renders of the upcoming iPhone Fold, unofficial name, on the social network X. According to recent reports from insider Fixed Focus Digital, Apple has already placed orders for the foldable display for its iPhone Fold. The name is tentative. It's expected to be unveiled this fall, alongside the iPhone 18 Pro Max models. The insider claims the device will be priced conservatively, though that doesn't tell us much. The information about the display, however, is more useful. The crease thickness is reported to be 0.15 mm, and the curvature angle is only 2.5 degrees. While there's no comparable data for other models, in absolute terms, these seem like very small figures. Renders suggest the device may feature a design similar to the original Pixel Fold with a wide external display. Preliminary data suggests that this display will be approximately 5.5 inches diagonally. A hole for the front camera is located at the top of the panel, and the aspect ratio is expected to be 4.3. The rear panel features a dual camera module, with an LED flash. According to preliminary leaks, the main modules could have a resolution of 48 megapixel. The internal foldable display will likely be approximately 7.8 inches diagonally, and feature a barely noticeable crease at the fold point. The smartphone is expected to feature a liquid metal hinge and a titanium frame. According to preliminary leaks, the iPhone Fold will have a 5500 mAh battery and a starting price of over $2,000. It was recently revealed that Apple may release 3 Ultra devices this year. Apple also announced the iPhone 17e with MagSafe support, an A19 chip, and a 48 megapixel camera. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.